Hey guys, wanted to do another quick little program run through with you. We saw pretty much everyone got through all of the retesting last week, and some really cool results came through. So it's good to see everyone's still progressing while you're doing a lot of your training at home, which is awesome. Yeah, the hard work is still paying off, guys, as you can see through your results. So let's keep that going for the next couple of weeks until the new facility's up and running in about 4 weeks' time now. So, pretty stoked. So what I wanted to do was just give you guys a little bit of a talk through of the new program. Um, Layout for the next 5 to 6 weeks, or whether you're on the stay on track with the full equipment or the stay on track bodyweight program. The themes are still the same, and that's what we've done through since the very start. Is we've kept everyone's themes very much similar, so that everyone's still progressing at the right time, and no one's sort of drifting off and just getting lost along the way. As we would have seen in our last program block, our last 6 weeks, the theme was we were building up a lot of our reps, starting with sort of like 5 and 6 reps and working our way up to 10 reps. So our goal was increasing volume. So we were increasing our work capacity, and we were increasing, hopefully, you would have started to see if we were getting everything right, some lean muscle mass starting to build. So working on that hypertrophy and accumulating a little bit more volume. So now that we've sort of built a few of those qualities, what you'll notice on our new program block, I've kept the days similar, as we can sort of see, because we want to try and get into that routine. What we would have started to see and get in the routine with our certain strength days and certain rest days, we've tried to keep that similar here, except what we're going to notice over the weeks is we're still focusing on our strength movements on certain days with a little bit of accessory type work at the end of the week, but our reps are actually going to start high and go backwards down. So the big difference is, instead of building up our work capacity, we've already got that quality. So now we're actually going to use that, and our goal is to increase weight, and we're going to work into more of a maximal strength block now, and start with our higher reps. And over the next couple of weeks, you'll start to see them drop down to about four to five reps in the last week before our next test day. So I want you to keep an eye on the amount of reps that we program for. And so what you will also notice is, when you have a look, I've given you, instead of giving you an exact number of reps to do, you've now got a little bit of a rep range. So if I say aim to complete between 8 and 10 reps, that means that's going to help you load the bar adequately to sort of where I want you to try and sort of fall into. So your goal with each set is to complete minimum of 8 reps this time, maximum of 10. So either 8 reps, 9 reps, or if you get to 10 reps, you then get to increase a bit of weight if it still felt like you had more in the tank. So you get to up the weight on the bar for the next set. And so the right working weight, similar to what we do with our RPE, you're going to lie, or you're going to fall in that rep range. So you might just get to 8 reps and you feel like, I've only got one good one left in the tank, so that's the right RPE for me, and I'm going to re-rack the bar. And so that puts you right in the rep range. Over the weeks, what you'll notice is the rep ranges will start to go from, say, 8 to 10, then they're going to drop down and go into 6 to 8. Then you're going to start to notice what they're going to do. So 6 to 8 reps, and then 4 to 6 reps. So if we limit the amount of reps you have to do, obviously that's giving you room to up the weight on the bar. So over the next sort of 6 weeks on this program block, the reps are going to slowly drop off, but the weight on the bar is going to slowly increase, as you don't have to do as many reps, i.e. we're going to get a lot stronger. Okay, so we're going to use what we did in our last block and add on that and work into a maximal strength and stuff now. You'll also notice the conditioning stuff. We've added a little power circuit. So it's the conditioning themes are going to be higher tempo running. So what that is 3 rounds of 3 30-second runs. Okay, so it actually gets to 4 rounds later in the program, but we'll start off with the 3. And so we've got a little bit higher in tempo, higher in pace tempo running, sorry. And then on the Friday, instead of our sort of slower accessory strength stuff, you guys are going to have a little power circuit to do, because our theme now is we're going to be starting to move a lot quicker, applying more force, and all of those things that we built up with our work capacity we're now putting into practice here. So because everyone's starting to get a little bit closer back into some competitions, we're going to start to lift the intensity in our training. Okay, so keep an eye on the reps as they drop down each week. Keep an eye on the load on the bar, so keep recording your weights into your Team Builder app each training session so we can have a look at it and you can obviously see where you got to last time. And then hopefully you guys enjoy moving a little bit quicker on the weekends instead of some of our long, slow stuff. And we're going to start to lift the intensity and start to up the ante as we get back into some competition coming up. Alrighty guys, reach out if you need any more help with this, but good luck getting into it and let me know how you go.